Today, we are going to the wild to see the platypus. Its common name is the duck-billed platypus and is part of the genus Ornithorhynchus. Platypuses are found in eastern Australia. They make their homes in and near freshwater creeks and built water storages such as farm dams. They build a simple burrow in a riverbank just above water level and often among a tangle of tree roots. These tree roots can be seen as a symbiotic relationship called commensalism. This is because platypuses benefit from the trees as they help them build their home, but the trees themselves are not impacted at all by this. In the winter, that is when the males initiate mating interactions. The behavior seen in this video, the male grasping a female's tail with his bill, is used to initiate reproduction. The behavior lasts for less than a minute to over half an hour and is usually repeated. These mammals are also one of the only mammals to lay eggs. They are k-strategious, which means that there are a few of them born young and that they are cared for, which allows them to live longer. However, because their population is already so small, it makes them a greater threat of extinction. Now to what they eat. Here we see as the platypus slowly approaches its prey. Platypuses are carnivores. This means they only eat meat. They feed on worms, crustaceans, and insect larvae. Here we see a water rat and a platypus as they both compete for the same food. The water rat feeds on the same thing as the platypus. They are also found in the same freshwater areas as platypuses, which means that because they feed on the same things and live in the same place, there could be competition between the two. This species is located in many different areas, and because of that, they are able to adapt to the location that they live in. They live in general colder areas, which means that they are endothermic. Platypuses are able to internally generate heat to maintain their body temperature. This is very important to them in the winter when temperatures fall so that they can stay warm and regulate their body temp. Their most distinctive feature is their bill, which looks like a duck's beak. The platypus has no teeth and it stores its food in its cheek pouches so it can eat on the surface. The platypus is able to move itself with its front feet and it uses its back feet for steering and for brakes. The platypus's fur is so thick that water isn't able to get in it. It also swims with its eyes, ears, and nostrils shut. Because their fur is so thick, in the early 20th century, many humans hunted for them for their fur. Currently, they are experiencing a decline in their population from things caused by humans such as highly regulated and disrupted rivers and intense habitat destruction. Platypuses are currently at threat of extinction, so it's important that we do everything to keep these cute little creatures alive. Thank you for watching.